Heather, if you want to send voice messages on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to the messaging application and enter the conversation that you want to use to send your voice message, or you want to send the voice message to that person. Go to that person's conversation with you. Then from here you will find a volume, or you can say the soundtrack icon. From here you can just hold on it. You can touch and hold on this icon to record audio, record your voice and send it to that person and send it to this conversation. For example, like this, if you just hold on it like this, it will start recording your voice, and you can find the timer from here and the volume increasation here. This sensing actually your voice, and here is the timer that you are recording for. Now if you release it, then it will converting to multimedia message, and after a few seconds you will find your voice message. From here you can get a preview, but tap on this play button and it will give you a preview of your voice message. Then you can tap on this send button to send this voice message to this conversation. And if you want to discard this voice message, then you can simply tap on this cross button and it will simply discard the voice message. So that's how you can simply send voice message through your messaging application on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a like, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.